So I have again changed the angle, what I'm saying. Changed, 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 changed. Okay, got it. So I don't know what to yap. I've been trying to make content since 3-4 years. Not trying, but yeah, what do I explain? Like, yeah, I've been making videos, but I'm not uploading it because I feel cringe. But I'm not going to do that anymore because I'm gonna post whatever it is. And yes, whatever. I like speaking a British accent. It's not good. It's not that good, but I kinda like it. Do you guys know how to speak in British accent? It's not that good, but I can. Sorry, I was loud. Yes. So I wanna make content. I'll yap. I can yap. So for intro, myself Shreya, and I'm doing bachelor's in biotechnology in Ahmedabad. Yes, but it's not my native city. I actually was born in Navsari. So well, yeah, I'm Gujarati. And what's next? What do I say next? So the topic is, what will I make content? Because I'm not that open on YouTube, but maybe I know I am extrovert. Yes, but yes, I can speak. I was bit I was not happy with my background, like the other walls, but yes, it's like now it's kind of decent, so I can take it. Yes, so I'll yap in this background. Okay, that's okay now. Yes, whatever. So the thing is, what of course I'll yap, but I don't have much story time. I have to remember, I have to recall everything what I went through. Yes, I can tell a 2 or 3 bit story time, but yes, I can yap like this. My eyes are very large, but in specs they get small. And yes, I just did my haircut. I got my bangs recently. And I should speak English often because it improves. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to show this video to my siblings. Yes, whatever. My hair is flying because the fan is on right now. I'm gonna drink water. I'll be right back. Guys, water is no more, guys. So let me tell you more about me. Did I give intro? I forgot. Yes, I gave. Till yes, I told you that I'm doing bachelor's in biotech, but I'm currently in second year. I got, like, of course it's new to me. The city is new to me. So it took me 2 or 3 months to settle down. But I kinda like it and I kinda don't, because it's not like I regret, but there could have, yes, let me Like I like the way I live. I live alone this in room. I like this thing, and I wear new clothes and all that. I like that, and I travel in metro. I kind of like that lifestyle. This college is kind of decent, and in starting I was bit worried. What if I get bit traumatic? Friends. Like yes, like I was good to be alone, but now friends are kind of good. Not that bad, not that good, but it's okay. We keep it. My banks are not settling. Sorry if there is bit unpleasant view, but I cannot do anything. You think maybe I'm trying to bit in different accent, but I'm not. Sorry, I'm not really. I watch too much series, so it's that. And these specs, you must be thinking the glasses are a bit too large because I have very, you know, more power. What can I do? Yes. You have to tolerate that. Yes, for me. Please. Yes, I'm yapping in English a lot. But I'll yap in English. Sorry if there is any grammatical mistake. Yeah, sorry for that. I can speak Gujarati, but I have kinda native accent. Not that Shuddha Gujarati I speak. I speak kinda natively, like from South Gujarat, Yes. And what else do I say about me? Did I start recording? Yes. Yes. Sometimes I forgot to record. Hmm. So I'm thinking about it. Well, yes. What I should be particular about my topics, na. So I should be. I'm thinking. Okay. I'm thinking. Like, what do I see? I have to research a bit what people are doing. I don't have to copy them, but sorry if there is a lot horn out there, because it's a bit people horn a lot. So yeah, that was all for today. I'll yap next time. I'm still find the I have particular topic that I'm going to yap, but uh I am not specific. So I don't have to be specific. I'll yap na. People enjoy people yapping. Yes. So I'll yap only. Are you guys sorry if there is I'm not apologizing anyway. Yeah, yeah, I liked making apologies. I like making it apologies. It's kind of entertainment. Yes. I tried blogging when I was in ninth. When there was a lockdown, like when I was in eighth standard or maybe ninth. I started. I was watching YouTube and I kinda saw people making vlogs and all that. So I also started it. I made three, four, five vlogs or maybe, and I kinda wanted more subscribers. So I told my friends. My brother knew because yeah, he is very nosy about my life. So he used to see my email ID and all. And he found out that yes, I have an YouTube account. Uh, so he like went through it and he told my cousins. they didn't kind of react to it. It didn't matter a lot, but then I told my friends it also didn't matter that time. But after 3 4 months or maybe I kind of like overthink a bit, like, yes, it's kind of cringe, and I didn't like the background and the way I spoke. So, yeah, I again deleted that. Then, after I came to college, I wanted to, but I didn't like my specs, the way I looked in my specs. So, I changed it. And another excuse was my phone. The camera quality was not that good. And I got new phone. Yes. And now after that I was making excuse to myself that the background is not so good. And it is not actually so good. The paint is bit brushed, but yes. So I don't know. Randomly today I could use this background. Yes, the windows and sofa. Yeah, this is neutral kind of. So my college was open today, but I didn't go because I didn't want to. That's a valid reason because I didn't want to go. Yes. So where was I? Yes, huh. So then I randomly started the video and I started yapping. Uh, I'm talking about today, but when I tried it after changing my specs, I tried making one vlog or something, but it was kind of boring. I don't know. I didn't like it. So I again paused it, and I didn't know whether I would start or not. And today I did it. I'm not backing off now. Yes, I will not, because I'll make videos for me only. Nah, it's not going to be viral in one day, of course. So people will not find out more, maybe. So why do we care? So yeah, Paul, whatever. Yes. Let me know, guys, if you want to hear me speaking another languages like Hindi or Gujarati. It's not like I don't. Sorry, it's not like I know very much a lot language, but I know Gujarati, I know Hindi, and when I'm speaking, yes. So I could tell my school life, or it's not that good, but yeah, I can tell. I don't know. I heard people do lives and all that. I don't know how that works. How do people find that the lives are going? I know I'll be like, why am I asking that to that in my videos? I don't know. Yes. So this is my first ever video. Did I guys told you enough? Yes. I kind of zone out sometimes, so don't mind. Yes. So this is my first ever video. Whatever. Okay, bye. I'll meet you in next. I'll guys. I'll meet you in next video. Okay. Till then, stay safe.